With employees forced to work from home due to the pandemic, securing the home network should be a top priority for each of us interested in keeping the data safe and secure. If a hacker gets access to an unprotected home network, they're pretty much free to do what they want. Here are a few steps that can be really useful even for the non-tech savvy person to apply to secure their home network. Your router is the heart of your home network. It is the central point where all your devices connect to the internet, and to each other. If you haven't already, change the name of your router from the default. Make sure you set a strong and unique password to secure your wireless network. Activate your router's firewall. A firewall can stop traffic from malicious websites from entering your network. It can also stop malicious programs that have made it into your network from sending data, think your credit card info or other personal data, to the bad guys who created the malicious program. Most routers have a built-in firewall, but you may need to activate it manually. Always keep your router's software up to date. The software is an essential part of your wireless network security. The wireless router's firmware, like any other software, contains flaws which can become major vulnerabilities and exploited by hackers. Make sure to turn on the auto-update feature of the Wi-Fi networks if it is one, otherwise manually update. Securing your IoT devices. Consumer IoT refers to the personal devices, such as home appliances, smartphones, wearable technologies, toys, etc. that are connected to the internet, collecting and sharing data. With all of the benefits of using IoT devices, there is also risks to privacy and security. It is recommended that we connect these devices with caution, and take steps to secure them. First, do your homework. Before purchasing a new smart device, do your research. Check out user reviews on the product, look it up to see if there have been any security/privacy concerns, and understand what security features the device has, or doesn't have. Update the privacy and security settings. Configure its privacy and security settings. Most devices default to the least secure settings, so take a moment to configure those settings to your comfort level. Put your IoT devices on a guest Wi-Fi network. Why? Because if a smart device's security is compromised, it won't grant an attacker access to your primary devices, such as your work or personal laptops. When the manufacturer issues a software update, patch it immediately. Updates include important changes that improve the performance and security of your devices. Think of where you put them. Particularly for listening devices or ones with cameras, think strategically about where you place them in your home. Do not place them in a child's room or where you have sensitive work or family discussions. Designate some of the areas of your home as safe rooms from IoT devices. Do your part and stay secure.